Vacuuming is a powerful and immediate way to reduce ant numbers and remove scent trails that guide workers to food. Start by sweeping and vacuuming high-traffic areas daily, focusing on crumbs and sticky residues that attract ants. Use a vacuum with a crevice tool to get along baseboards, under appliance gaps, and inside cabinet corners where sugar and grease settle. After vacuuming, empty the canister or replace the bag outdoors so captured ants and pheromones do not re-enter the home. For spills on upholstered furniture or pet bedding, vacuum first, then follow with a damp cloth and an appropriate cleaner to remove residues that a vacuum cannot lift. When you find ant lines, run the vacuum slowly over the trail to pick up workers and eggs, and then treat the point of entry with perimeter bait or targeted gel bait placed according to the product label. For large infestations, combine vacuum removal with baits and habitat modification such as sealing cracks and removing standing water to interrupt colony support. Common mistakes are relying on vacuuming alone, which removes visible workers but does not eliminate the colony. Always pair cleaning with properly placed baiting to kill the source. Another issue is failing to empty the vacuum container, which can allow captured ants and their pheromones to remain inside and attract new ants. Empty it immediately outside and wash the canister if possible. A third problem is missing hidden hotspots like appliance edges and under rugs. Use attachments and move appliances periodically to vacuum beneath them and treat those areas. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find work by making it simple to list and browse projects related to pest control and cleaning services. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange practical tips, ask questions, and share real-world experiences about ant prevention and cleanup.